stuck sliding into your girlfriend's DMs, and today I'm going to be telling you how to fix an unreadable disc. Now, these little shits are really tricky to fix, alright, but I have a really perfect way how to fix it. I want you to stay tuned, okay? So, as you can see, it is, you can't really see it, but it is pretty, see right there, see right there. Yeah, right, yeah. It's really scratched up on the back. You can barely see it though. They're like these little small cracks that just makes it all hell. But sorry for the yelling in the background. That's some very crazy nephew that needs to go to a mental institution so that way he can stop being a... I'll show you how to do it. Alright, but first you need to head over to your garage or whatever, wherever your dad keeps your tools. We'll be right back. And it all won't go to shit. So what you're gonna want to go ahead and do is you're gonna want to go ahead and grab a hammer. Okay. I'll take this one because I like it. I'll fix that later with the hammer. So what you're gonna do ahead is grab your disc. All right. We're just gonna go ahead and head outside. So never mind. It's 20 outside. I don't wanna. So what you want to do is just, go ahead and put it on the ground. Okay. Now remember guys, this is an unreadable disc. This will not work for random discs that do work still, but are just slightly cracked. So. There you go, guys. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty teared up, but that's how life works. So we're just going to go ahead and put it right here. Sorry if the video was upside down, but, sorry about that. If it's upside down or some shit, I don't know. So, yeah, seems like it's... Yeah, guys, that's basically how you fix up your unreadable disc, because... that's how life works. Let's see if it'll stay. No, it won't. Okay. What about like this? Alright, whatever. Let's go ahead and grab these little pieces. Okay. There we go. Now let's go ahead and see if it works. That's how you fix your disc, guys. See you all later. Goodbye. Remember to unsubscribe and dislike. Bye.